Train. We actually got another train coming right now. I see the headlight. I'll show you in a second here. Let me get my doors back on. Alright. I see it. He's coming. You see? I'm at. See it? Down there. There's another one. But I'm going to try to check CS that before the gates go down. See if there's anything coming at it before the gates go off. Nope. Alright, we better dip that before the gates start going down again. We hurry up, dip that to the other side. We're good. We're good to go still. I just checked CS that's nothing. Then after this train, we're leaving. Oh, he's blowing his horn. He's out. Are you recording or not yet? He's coming down. I'll stay right here until the bells ring, and then we're gonna need to get out of the way. Alright, get your camera ready. I see it coming down. He's really close. Alright, I think we need to get out of the way. The crossings are about to activate. Oh yeah, I was going to show you the other side, how it activates and then move. Here's the plan. I'm going to show you what happens. So the first light's going to flash fast and then that one last. So I'll show you that real quick and then we're going to need to back up because she's right down there. So we got 3 trains today. That's good. Alright, they're about to activate. And now after I show you this side flash, I'm moving. Didn't want me to. Yeah, sorry if I'm in the way. There we go. Alright, we need to get out of the camera's way. Alright, they're about to go down. We need to really. And there you go. Alright, we're back up. Well, to Norfolk Southern. He's a bright lighter. We're gonna check the CSX one more time before we leave. But it's still recording, yay! I see the end coming in, and I am not gonna show you the lights this time, since I've shown you the last video, and in that video I got to show you what happened when it activated. There we go. And you can probably see it on the other side, the lights aren't flashing. Is there a CSX coming, or probably not today? What?
There's another one following this guy south.
Another one?
Yeah.
How many minutes?
I don't know. I don't think he's passed all quite.
I think we're gonna... He told me there may be another one. Well, there may be another one. There's another train maybe. Alright, I'll catch you when it comes if we get to stay.